welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Szilvi and I aim to post every week on DIY topics such as fashion and home DIY. I recently also started to introduce the vegan and cruelty-free lifestyle topics into my channel as well. So if you are interested in these topics, then please don't forget to subscribe for future videos. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my February favorites that are also vegan and cruelty-free as well. I can't believe that it's March already. It definitely doesn't look so in the UK, but this video is about February, so let's get into that. I have a few beauty products to share with you, mainly beauty products and some on the vegan food area as well. So maybe I start with that one. So in February there were quite a few birthdays on my boyfriend's family side, and we were hosting a dinner party or sort of like a birthday celebration one evening, and this was the first time that I was serving vegan food for meat eaters as well. I feel quite strongly about it, so even though before I was vegetarian I wasn't that strong in my beliefs, so we always served meat as well, but now I just really want to avoid it. However, I also wanted our guests to have fun and enjoy the food that's in front of them, so I was experimenting with a few recipes and I was doing research, and I decided that I'm going to go with an Italian themed night. So I had some arancinis, vegan arancinis as a starter, then we made some vegan pizzas, and then we had vegan tiramisu as dessert. What I was really impressed with was the arancini. If you don't know what arancini is, it's like usually it's like this cheesy rice ball with some tomato sauce. That's one of my favorite Italian appetizer or starter. So I really wanted to make a vegan version of that, and I found this recipe on YouTube and I gave it a try, and that was just absolutely amazing. I think absolutely delicious. I will also show a picture here, and I will also link the recipe. So the tiramisu recipe is something that I also have to mention because that was really tasty. There are a few things that I would definitely change if I would make it again, and mainly is using the flour that the recipe suggests, because I was using something else. It wasn't a big problem, but I think it would still make a difference. And the other thing is, I think the recipe doesn't include enough coffee to soak the base with, so I would definitely add more coffee as well. I think that would make it much more tastier. And then moving on to the beauty area, so a few items that I would like to mention here, and one is a brow pencil from Rodial. And I have mentioned this brand before in my previous videos. I absolutely love the brand. So it's definitely cruelty free. Rodial doesn't test on animals, and most of their products are also vegan. They only have the bee venom serum, which is a non-vegan line, but all the other products are vegan. And even though some of the items are very expensive, they have like amazing sales and also like amazing packages. However, this one was a full price item though, and what I love that it has one side, it has this little brush which will help you organize your eyebrows, and then on the other side you have the pencil. So I don't know, my eyebrows are just like so weird, and I'm still experimenting with and trying different techniques how to apply. Well, it's definitely a product that I love so far. I think the best product that I tried for eyebrows, so I'm very happy with this. Then two other items, which is and they are also in a makeup category, and this is from the brand Tilbury, which is a luxury makeup brand, and I really love her products. And I think most people don't know that actually most of the products from Charlotte are vegan and cruelty free as well. And I actually emailed the brand when I was buying a few products. Now I think I have so many things from them, and they were very friendly and very helpful. They sent me a list of all of their non-vegan products. However, I also see that recently they made a change on their website, so when you go on to the website and look for a specific product and you check the ingredients, it's actually clearly marked whether that's tested on animals, which is obviously all of them are not tested on animals, whether it's vegan friendly, yeah, all kinds of information is there. So it's a very clear indication for us as customers whether that's well suited for our needs. This is the Bronze and Blush Glow palette. It's absolutely beautiful. This is something I really love with Charlotte Tilbury, is the packaging is absolutely gorgeous, and also the colors are amazing. The blush and the bronzer, they are very well pigmented. Then the other item is a highlighter, which I have to mention, and I'm so much in love with highlighters, and I know that in the January favorites as well I was mentioning another highlighter which I also love, but I think the difference is mainly in the, well, one in the application and the other is in the shade as well. This looks very much like my skin tone, so it completely like fades in. Recently I'm using this one more often than the Iconic one, and that may be because this is new, but I definitely love this product, both products, but recently I use this more often. The application is very easy as well, because you just basically just push and apply, easy. And then the last two items I wanted to mention is from the bathroom. And the first thing that I wanted to change when I decided that I'm going vegan was my shampoo, and I started to look for shampoos that are vegan and cruelty free. So I went through a few variations, and usually I use shampoos that I use two types of shampoo. One that I use for the scalp to just like normally wash your hair, and then another one which I used for the ends, so I just like to tone the blonde and make it less yellow. I was on the hunt for a purple shampoo as well, and I found this Stafford Bleach Blonde purple shampoo, and I love that after I wash it, like right after washing it and drying it, it has a beautiful tone to it, and there is just no sign of any yellow tone at all. So I absolutely love this. This is almost empty now, so I will have to order another one. And so if you want a purple shampoo that will get rid of the yellowness in the blonde and is also vegan and cruelty free, then definitely give this one a try. And then the last one is from Lush. So this is a body spray, is the Plum Rain. This is something I wanted to try because I don't always like to apply perfumes. They have like different scents as well, and after showering you just spray it all over your body, and then like smells like quite fruity. So this is obviously like Plum Rain, so this has like a very fruity plummy smell, but I think it's quite refreshing, and especially in the morning I feel that it's like it's not as strong as a perfume would be, but it still gives you that like fresh aura. Lush is another company which is one of the forerunners on fighting animal cruelty, and this product is again, so not all of the Lush products are vegan, but this one is vegan. So this was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful, and you may try some of these items. If you do let me know. I would like to know your opinions as well. And definitely, if again I'm still like experimenting with vegan and cruelty free products, so if you have like any recommendations on fashion and beauty related great products, or like even some like channels and blogs, I'm like still looking for people with similar mindset and people that I can get inspiration from, then let me know, because yes, I would very much like to connect and just like to get inspiration and ideas from others as well, to see what others are using, what is out in the market. I would love to know. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye my loves.